Welcome students, it's 6th class English ladder. Our first unit number is nature's gift. As all of you know that what is nature? Nature means अल्लाह ताला की कुदरत, अल्लाह ताला के वो सारे इनामात जिन्हें हम enjoy करते हैं in the shape of mountains, rivers, valleys, streams and stars. We cannot count the gifts of the nature and we cannot show our gratitude to Allah. Okay students, here you can observe or see a lot of words. Now we will write these words on the pieces of the paper and we will play a game. We will pick any piece of the paper and describe the written word on the paper. In this way we can show our feelings about the different natural aspects. हम अपनी feelings को share कर सकते हैं. You have to play this game at your home with your fellows and with your friends and with your brothers and sisters as well. First word is enchanting. Enchanting means charming, very beautiful, mashhoor kun, purmusarrat and flawless without any mistake, abundant, in plenty, inspirational. That is motivational, that gives us any motivation to do anything. Then mine of information, this is the phrase because this is the group of word. मालूमात का ज़ख़ीरा and mysterious, secretive, precious, बहुत ज़्यादा कीमती. Now you will play this game at your home. 6th class, our first lesson is daffodils. Daffodils are the flowers. They are very beautiful and in golden color. Might be you have ever seen. Okay. The poet of the daffodils is William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth is a romantic poet. He mostly writes about nature and its aspects, beautiful aspects. In this poem he describes about his beautiful experience. And before starting the poem we have to discuss the difficult word meanings of the poem. First word is wandered, move aimlessly without any purpose, float, hover, crowd, group, together एक साथ हुजूम होना या ग्रुप होना, an army बहुत ज़्यादा मिकदार में, stretched, separate फैले हुए थे, gaze, brief look गहरी नज़र देखना, margin, border, inward, inner, tozy, through. Students, except these word meanings you will learn the red meanings as well. First word is valley, a poetic term for valley. Fluttering, move with light trembling motion, outdid, perform, better, glee, great delight, jocund, cheerful and light-hearted, vacant, not occupied, pensive, reflective, senior, solitude, state of being alone. Now I will guide you about reading the poem, how to read with the intonation. I will read just one paragraph. Next paragraphs you will read by your own self. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high over valleys and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils, beside the lake, beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. Okay, now discuss the theme of the poem, what the poet has shared about his feelings in this poem. William Wordsworth is a romantic poet. He is a lover of nature. He has told us about his experience. He goes to the place covered with the mountains. It is valley. He sees their daffodils in never-ending lines. He uses different literary terms like personification, simile and metaphor to give more attributes to daffodils. He says that it is a source of happiness for him and also remembers it in his inward eyes whenever he is alone. Now students, clear that how nature is beautiful. You will Practice by writing on any natural object and give the caption. Caption means title to your paragraph as well. Clear? In next lecture we will solve the exercise.